Onshape versus Fusion 360. Which is the best or right CAD tool for your projects? Let's do a comparison. Onshape is a cloud-based CAD that runs fully in a browser, whereas Fusion 360 is the desktop plus cloud-connected CAD or CAM tool. OnBase is great for team collaboration, whereas Fusion 360 is strong for design plus manufacturing workflows. You can use Onshape if you want real-time collaboration and if you prefer cloud-only, no installs, and if you work in distributed teams. And you can use Fusion 360 if you need CAM or machining, if you want simulation and fabrication tools, and if you like a powerful all-in-one desktop solution, then you can go with Fusion 360. So Onshape is best for cloud collaboration, CAD, but Fusion 360 is best for all-in-one design plus manufacturing tool. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.